window of choice, really the window that we use in essentially 100% of our homes now. It has been a partnership with PGT for a long time, and it is a major decision. At John Cannon Homes, we tried to make that decision for them. There's such a major component now in the home between the energy efficiency and the safety from storms here in Florida. The aesthetics, the window can be customized to the customer's choice of color, grid pattern, window tint, size, so forth. So that allows us a lot of freedom when we're custom designing a home. One of the rooms that we did, that we chose the windows for, was the master bath. The master bath is a focal point in this home, and we wanted to provide sort of a sense of arrival there. So we worked with PGT in designing a window system that wrapped around the master bath, master closet, and the adjoining exercise area to create, it's almost 40 feet, I think, of wall-to-ceiling windows and doors. And that was instrumental in our design criteria in putting this home together. We tried to design so that we're bringing the outdoors in. In the same light, you have, what's the house look like? How do the windows look in size and proportion to the house? It has to be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. All of these things come into play that allow us to build different architectural styles so that people can have that aesthetically pleasing from the outside in. Whatever it is, we're able to work with them and they're able to work with us in coming up with a window that's aesthetically pleasing. PGT came to me with our local vendor years ago and decided that we thought that we wanted to offer the dual pane glass insulated window as a standard, which we've done. So the energy coefficient is something that people notice nowadays. I mean, green building is a big part of what our customers are looking for. That's a major component and part of the decision-making process. In my mind, one of the most important components is the safety factor. The impact glass, the window, the frame, the wind loads, all of these things combine to allow us to build a home for our customers that they can feel safe in during a storm event. Just as a sidebar, my nephew just moved to town, bought a two-story home from another builder that doesn't offer him as a standard, and he did not put impact in. The builder then provided shutters. And here's an orthopedic surgeon climbing up on a two-story ladder as the storm's approaching, which it can get a little breezy. His comment to me was, they should make everybody that declines impact windows install one on top of a two-story ladder with their wife handing them the panels to see what's involved in installing a shutter system. He goes, if I would have done that, it would have been a no-brainer. I would have installed the impact glass. The windows that we use with the insulated glass are extremely sound resistant. We've built on major thoroughfares and you don't hear the traffic. The best testament that I can speak of about the quality of the sound protection is in this home right here. I live on Siesta Key and I was forced to evacuate. And I chose to evacuate to this house. And we had probably 8 to 10 hours of 90 to 100 mile an hour wind in this location. You could not hear the storm during that going on. I think that's a testament for the quality of the sound protection. All of our homes come standard with the impact windows. We don't even offer the impact windows as an option. It is a standard feature in every John Cannon home. And just like we do have a security system, we see quite a few people that have gone so far as to install camera systems and let's call it additional security measures. I think it's a big factor knowing that you have that security that's provided by the impact windows. The fire department came to me and says, John, if we had to get in this house, we wouldn't go through the window. We would hack a hole through the wall next to the window. It would be easier access than trying to break through a window to get in this house. Right there says, I think, a lot also. Besides the design, energy efficiency, and the protection we talked about earlier, the deciding factor was just their quality and their service. We just don't have virtually any service problems. They are an expert at installing the windows. We know we're not going to have problems with them. And in the rare occasion when we do, they take care of it right away. And obviously it's all about customer service and convenience for our clients, and that's vital. And we haven't found anybody ever that did it better.